first 2 days at COMPUTEX have been hectic, have been really exciting. We have thousands of people. It's definitely busier than last year because everyone is really excited at the next generation of AI data centers. Our booth has also been really exciting for everyone, especially because, as you know, Delta is the world's leader in power and cooling technologies. For example, for power supplies, we have been the leader since 2002, and in DC brushless fans cooling technology since 2006. And of course, Delta is probably the most diversified company you can find, not only in COMPUTEX, but also in Taiwan and even in many countries around the world. We're very diversified. We're in so many different mega trends right now, but especially into AI data centers right now. I'm Alessandro from Delta Electronics, and I'm very excited to introduce to you what we are showcasing here, key highlights for this year at COMPUTEX. Our customers around the world are deploying AI data centers very rapidly, but they need to go even faster. And they're especially faced with three challenges. Number one, energy savings. Number two, rapid deployment. And number three, build your own power. In regards to energy savings, the most important part is right now to deploy 800 volts DC power architectures. For that, Delta also cooperates with our partners in the industry to develop 800 VDC power systems, cooling systems, and also infrastructure. The second challenge, very importantly, is to deploy these AI data centers rapidly. So at Delta at COMPUTEX this year, we're showcasing two very important solutions for that. Number one, AI modular data centers, which are pre-assembled and pre-tested our own factories around the world. With that, we can cut the deployment time for our customers by 60%. Those are for indoors. They also have for outdoor, for example, for colocation, for edge computing. We have containerized data centers. So basically, you don't even need to build a building. You just have the containers, including the IT equipment, the power solutions, even the liquid cooling in the data center, so that with liquid cooling, you can keep these containerized data centers with PUEs as low as 1.19. Also, they're very compact. They even fit in a parking space. And they can be, of course, scalable significantly. So those are very important that we can cut by 60% the deployment of these data centers in terms of time for our customers. And the number three challenge is right now data centers, they have to build their own power. They need to build, they have to integrate different energy sources, power sources, into their what they call microgrids. And Delta has entire microgrid solutions for our customers, so we can integrate renewable energy. And right now we're developing a fuel cell technology for hydrogen energy generation. We have a new production line going to be online at the end of this year, a production line. And also we're going to have a 1 gigawatt factory for these fuel cells here in northern Taiwan as well, coming soon online as well. And then with this, for example, at COMPUTEX this year, we are showcasing this solution for fuel cells that they can be scalable. For example, the model we have at COMPUTEX is for 3.3 megawatts of generation capacity. And also related to that is, okay, we have the microgrids, which also integrate what Delta technologies for next generation transformers. Is what we call solid state transformers. These transformers, they have the capability, as we were talking earlier, to develop data center ecosystems with 800 volts DC power. So then these Delta solid state transformers have the capability to convert directly medium voltage AC power directly into 800 volts DC power. With that, we can bring DC power directly into data centers and basically substitute the entire AC power architecture that we had as of today. So then with this, we have the capability to, as we have through the whole ecosystem of data centers, to have from medium voltage converted to 800 volts DC, and then all the way DC to reach the AI chips, we can increase the efficiency of the entire ecosystem by over 5 percentage points, which also means billions of energy savings and billions of kilowatt hours, of course, in energy savings, and also in terms of money as well that we can save for our customers. So those are the key solutions that we are showcasing this year. Also, physical AI is a big mega trend right now in COMPUTEX. So at Delta, we have in our showcase as well, we have technology for smart manufacturing, in which Delta also is a leader in the world. And then we integrated with our own digital twin technology, so that, for example, you can plan your production lines, your entire factories through digital twin technology, digitalized smart manufacturing, and that will accelerate your production lead times and also increase the productivity of all this technology. Also, we work with our partners so that we can have, for example, all these physics engines as well, so that we can have high fidelity simulations with these digital twins that will be even more enhanced productivity and cutting even more of this production lead time that we're talking about. One of the things that also makes Delta very unique is our global footprint. Delta is a global company with over 165 sales offices serving our customers in 5 continents. We also have 55 factories around the world, and also we have over 70 R&D centers leveraging talent also from around the world. Also, we have the capability for many years already to serve our customers in the Middle East, in Africa as well, through what we call the EMEA region, Europe, Middle East, and Africa. And right now, of course, we work with, as Delta also is the world's #1 in power for the telecom industry. So telecom carriers in the Middle East are also some of our very important customers. And also, as the Middle East carries these AI megatrend as well, building AI data centers across the board, we're also one of the key technology providers for this megatrend. So I want to welcome you to Delta's booth at COMPUTEX 2026. Delta is also a very unique company in the fact, and you can see it in our showcase, is that most of our products and solutions for power, for cooling, for infrastructure, especially for AI data centers, they save energy. We have actually calculated the accumulated electricity savings that we provide to our customers through our shipments of products and solutions. Since from the year 2010 until the year 2024, we have saved over 52 billion kilowatt hours of electricity for our customers around the world. How much power is that? You could power the entire country of Germany or the state of Texas for over 1 month. So Delta, one company with superior energy savings, we can achieve that. It's very significant, and I hope you can witness that at our booth. So welcome. We're going to be there for the last 2 days of COMPUTEX, and we hope to see you there for sure.